I joined Imarticus Learning, a post-graduation program in data science. So currently I'm working in Zenoti, Hyderabad as a data migration engineer there. Okay, so I'm from Pune only, and my family background is my dad is into business of electrical background. They are also from electrical background, and my mom is housewife. So they also supported me throughout this journey, and they helped me to being consistent in this data science program. So I'm from electronics background. So while working in electronics for 1 year, so I got to know that there is one field like data science. It's growing up nowadays, and I related my electronics journey to data science, and then I got to know that I can do better in the data science field. And then I searched for some courses, some institutes, and from one of my friend I got to know about Imarticus Learning, and I went through all the reviews, and then I decided to join the Imarticus course. Basically, the people who are from rural background, so it is difficult for them to convince their parents to invest so much money in the course. But for me, it's worth, because the institute they will give you the option to pay in installment, and you can pay it fees in installment, and they give you the option like that. And it was not that much difficult to convince my parents, because I convinced them based on the Imarticus curriculum and all the things, so it was not that much difficult. So here in Imarticus Learning, their curriculum and syllabus is good enough for the beginners, and I was the beginner, so it helped me a lot. And Pranjal, I learned under the Pranjal Mishra sir, so he helped me a lot throughout the journey. He also gave you the technical knowledge also, and how can you relate to our technical knowledge to the live industry, so it will helpful. Yeah, I surely recommend this course to beginners, because if you want to go in some data science industry, you can start from here. It is a good platform to you to start from here.